psychology terms starting with R. Random, term that describes assignment in which all subjects have an equal chance of being assigned to the control group or to the experimental group. REBT, Albert Ellis's form of therapy for psychological disorders. Reaction formation, defense mechanism in which unacceptable impulses are transformed into their opposite. Reciprocal determinism, Bandura's idea that though our environment affects us, we also affect our environment. Refractory period, resting time, occurs in both neuron firing and in human sexual response. Regression, defense mechanism in which one retreats to an earlier stage of life. Rehearsal, conscious repetition of information in order to fix it in memory, such as practicing a list of terms to memorize. Reinforcer, in operant conditioning any event that strengthens the behavior it follows. Reliability, in testing, the characteristic of a test that produces consistent scores through retesting or alternate halves or other methods. REM, describes sleep in which vivid dreams typically occur. This type of sleep increases as the night progresses while stage 4 sleep decreases. Representative, this kind of sample accurately reproduces the characteristics of the population a researcher is studying. Repression, defense mechanism in which painful memories are excluded from consciousness. Reticular formation, a network of cells in the brainstem that filters sensory information and is involved in arousal and alertness. Retina, the sensory reception system of the eye, includes rods and cones. Retrieval, the process of recovering information stored in memory. Retroactive interference, when new learning disrupts the recall of previously learned information. Rods, responsible for black and white vision. Role play, technique in therapy and training in which participants act out new behaviors or skills. Rooting, a reflex in which a newborn turns its head in response to a gentle stimulus on its cheek. Rorschach test, a projective test that uses ink blots as the ambiguous stimulus,